Hi guys, this is Sylvia Busy Art and this is the design, and it's the story of blind Bartimaeus, and he's saying, praise God, I can see, and this is how we make it. So I've got these here that I've coloured in and cut out. Now, yeah, I've cut around the edge of here so that the black line is taken out, and this is the base. Yeah, now fold down this dashy line, pinch on those two bits, and then you can push that down in the centre, and then make sure it's nicely creased, and try it again on that side. Like that, and then we've got this piece here to cut out. So there's my scissors there. Down that hard line, and then I can, so you can see that, fold it on that dashy line like that, and then reinforce it, fold it over the other way, just to make it comfortable and flexible, like that. Now, if I open that out, like that, I can pop that out, so it's like a little beak, and make sure these are nicely folded, and then we've got that like that. Now, if I put some double-sided sticky tape on this side, you take that piece off and put, this goes to the crease, you put it on along that line like that, push it down, and then it should fold over so it's nice and comfortable. And there, I'm sure you've had great fun doing that. Yeah, colour in any colour you want, and remember that amazing story. God bless, and see you next time.